Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, we've got some chicken. We've got some noodles. We've got organic, low-sodium chicken broth, onion, garlic, celery, carrots, and all these fantastic seasonings. And we've got a crock pot. Good morning, Mike Foster here, because that's what you do with a crock pot. You start in the morning and you fill it with all this stuff and you set it and forget it. Today it's classic chicken soup. This is the time. See, it's a little cloudy outside. It's been raining a little. It's winter here. This is the time for classic chicken soup. Everyone says that chicken soup makes you healthier, makes you can heal a cold, can do all kinds of things. But all I'm going to do is show you how to make a delicious chicken soup. And try not to say the word classic too much because people get upset by it. Classic. Let's put this bad boy together. All right, all the veg is prepped. Let's get this classic chicken soup going with some organic free-range chicken. Beauty. I'm going to toss in a couple of sprigs of rosemary. We'll pull those out later. Onions. Carrots, this is case. Onions, carrots, celery, and garlic in. Just like this. Ba-ba-boo. There you go. Some salt. Pepper. I'm going to put this bay leaf in and take that out later. Drop that baby in. A little sage. There you go. Oh, yeah. That makes it chickeny. This is thyme. Thyme. I'm not kidding. Say thyme. Put that baby in there. Parsley. I think I got parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme if you want to sing with me. Basil. Oregano. I'm going to top it off with this chicken broth, which is low sodium. Make sure you get low sodium because you don't want to just be overwhelmed by sodium. Just pour that baby on. This is, I'll tell you the ounces on this. Hold on. This is 32 ounces. Cover it. This is just right. If you need to add some more or some water to make it more soupy, you do that. Well, let's see how we're doing. It's been about 5 hours. And what I'm looking for here, well, I'm looking for some of these onions to maybe melt down a little more. And I want to make sure that the veg is cooked. Let's check out, I'm going to check out this carrot right here. A nice chew. And then the main attraction is this chicken. Now you can tell that it already looks like it's almost pull apart tender. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1 more hour. And I think this is going to be in a good spot. From there, then we'll take the chicken out. We'll shred it separately. Put it back in. Don't forget about these guys. It's classic chicken noodle soup. So we need the noodles. Okay, it's been 5.5 hours. It's time to take this chicken out and shred it. So you just take it out like this. See it? Put this down here. Get that soupy liquid out. We're almost ready for the classic chicken noodle soup. It smells amazing already. This is what's left of the rosemary stems. We're taking those out and we're taking, and I mean me, taking this bay leaf out. Here's the shredded chicken that I just took out. I'm going to put it back in. Mix that around. There's your chicken soup, but if you want chicken noodle soup, oh, that's gorgeous. We're going to go with 8 ounces of, I'm using farfalle. You can use whatever noodle you want. We're going to mix these in. This is going to finish this off. Get this all down. Cover it. All right, let's check. See if that pasta's done. Whip it around. There's your soup. What do you guys think? Let me just check this pasta. I'm going to try that. Oh, yeah. There it is. The classic chicken noodle soup. I can't wait for a big bite. I think this is going to keep you healthy for all winter. There's the classic chicken soup. You saw a close-up. It's dangerous if I put it any closer. When the broth is... I taste those seasonings. Let's try some of this chicken. I got a carrot here. I just feel if I was sick, I'd be healthy now. Good way to do it. Oh, there's some celery, some onion. Look at that. My fingers are burning. Oh, it's perfect. Classic. Big chunk of chicken. You can't go wrong with this. It's all healthy for you. Try these classic recipes. Send me your classic requests for whatever you want. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365. And subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same classic name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's some classic things. I had a fever, but I think it's just gone away. Oh my goodness. Life's good. Classic. Sweet.